Hey folks, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to take a look at this Carver amplifier I have. It's a Carver M-1.0t, and it's despite it saying Mark II on the faceplate, it's not a Mark II, but it's a new faceplate, and it just so happens it's printed with Mark II, and it's got new handles. And I have it hooked up to my Carver C16 preamp. I want to thank you for coming by and taking a look at my video. And don't forget to click like on my channel and subscribe. It's important, that way I can keep making videos for y'all. And we're going to review this Carver M-1.0t. that once again has been upgraded and modified by a Carver expert from the Carver forums. He's on a couple of forums, I believe, and he does beautiful work. You can see on the outside it's got new LEDs, new faceplate, and new rack handles. And aside from that, the cabinet is in excellent condition. And this amplifier is from about 1986, and it's a fabulous sounding amplifier. We're going to take a look inside and see how well it's made, and we can take a look at all the upgrades. So hang on, enjoy the video, and let's take a look inside. Alrighty, we got the cover for you so we can take a look at the inside. First thing we notice is the upgraded and modified power supply. These are the filter capacitors, Nichicon, which are high-end capacitors. As you can see, a special board was made in place of where the original capacitors were to mount all these other capacitors, and it's very well done, very professionally done. This looks like the magnetic field regulator board right here. It's a magnetic field power amplifier, and it's 200 watts per channel. There's been some other modifications. For instance, on the back here, these are specially made anti-thump circuits, because on the original Carver in 1986, when you turned off the amplifier, it would make a thump in the speakers that was annoying to a lot of owners. Subsequently, this was designed by Carver enthusiasts. It's an anti-thump, so when you turn off the amplifier now, it doesn't make that thump noise. Also, another modification that was added is this bias pivot board, surface mounted devices on there. This is also uniquely made and upgraded. There's one for each channel. Bias pivot board. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you, what it does, but that's another modification. And all the capacitors throughout the amplifier were upgraded and replaced. It's really clean inside. There's your output transistors. The amplifier sounds fabulous, and the work looks like it was meticulously done. That's the magnetic field power coil, or power transformer. You can very slightly hear it buzzing, almost inaudible, but that's just the nature of the amplifier. Also, what was replaced and upgraded on the back was the 5-way binding posts, those gold-plated RCA jacks, and a stereo mono switch was replaced. You can't see it, it's buried behind there. And it's 200 watts per channel, and it's like a brand new, better than it was amplifier. And of course, as we showed you before, the brand new faceplate, which was specially made by this fella, Carver enthusiast. Now once again, it's a model M-1.0t, but it's not a Mark II, but the faceplate says it's a Mark II. But it's not a Mark II. And of course the new handles and new LEDs. And we just wanted to give you a quick look. Don't forget to click like on my video, subscribe to my channel. It will help support more videos like this for you to enjoy. And thanks for stopping by. Stay well and be healthy. Thanks again.